Alright, welcome back to the dojo. This is Stephen D from Beard Bushido. Today we're taking a look at one of the badass beard care company's seasonal scents, the Soda Jerk, right after the intro. Alright, so again, today we're looking at a seasonal scent from Badass Beard Care. A little bit about Badass Beard Care. You can find them at their website, which again is badassbeardcare.com. They are a veteran-owned company founded by Charlie Moyer, and they offer a full line of beard care products, including oils, butters, balms, waxes, and washes. They are one of the few companies that does offer a free sample of their oils, and then they also offer sample packs that run around $4 before shipping. They have 13 regular scents plus their seasonal scents. And today we are going to look at their seasonal scent for this summer, the Soda Jerk. Alright, so the ingredients for the Badass Beard Care Soda Jerk, the balm and the oil. We're looking at apricot oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, pure vitamin E oil, rosemary oil, eucalyptus oil, and tea tree oil. That is their standard blend, and then of course you have the scent, the root beer. So that came in our little bubble envelope, because again it is just a sample, but we got a little loyalty card. Looks like, you know, the Badass Beard Care Company sticker. Okay. The special sticker, it's got Smokey the Bear. Alright. Then, again, some informational cards. And a welcome card. It's always nice to get those from the companies. Alright, makes you feel like they're, putting in a little bit of effort. So we do appreciate that. Now this seasonal scent, again, Soda Jerk, they come in these little velvet pouches, which I think is a very nice touch. It really just looks very professional and very well thought out. And it just gives you a nice place to keep the product as well. And again, what you are getting is you are getting a 1/4 of an ounce of their balm. And then a 1/2 dram of the oil. And again, this is the Soda Jerk, which is their summer seasonal scent. The scent profile is root beer. Alright, so if you're someone that loves root beer floats, this is going to be right up your alley. Alright, so, oh wow, that does smell like root beer. In fact, it smells very much like the root beer barrel candy. Alright, so that's got a really nice scent to it. Alright, get just a little bit of the oil out here. Alright, and you can see, alright, probably a medium weight oil. You really can smell that root beer. That's a nice scent. I like that. I wasn't sure I would. But yeah, that's really pleasant. It's a really nice scent. I like that. Again, feels good in the beard. Okay, not too heavy. So I like that. And then the balm. And yeah, you can smell it. It does smell like root beer. Alright. Get a little bit of that out. Alright. And that just melts down really easy. That's a really nice consistency on the balm. Okay, no grit at all. Very smooth. Wow. Yep. You really can smell that root beer. Alright, this is, you're going to have to like root beer to like this scent. But if you do, if you're a big A&W or IBC fan, whatever root beer it is, you're going to love this. It is really, really a nice scent. It's a strong scent, although not overpowering. You're not going to knock anyone over with it. I don't think you're going to offend anyone, but it is a nice scent. You can smell it when you put it in, but that's the point. Why get a scented product that you're not going to be able to smell? This is just another reason to love Badass Beard Company. It's just a great scent, and again, these little sample sets, they're only $4. All right, you can't beat that. It's a great way to try it. For a short beard, this is probably a whole week's worth. Okay, if you've got a longer beard, it may be one day. All right. Then again, it all depends on your length. For me, this is probably 5 days. All right, use, which is enough to try to see if you like it. Am I going to buy the full size set? Maybe. It's that good. So again, that is our review of Badass Summer Profile Set, the Soda Jerk. Again, it's root beer, definitely root beer, and you gotta love it. All right, thank you again. Once more, if you've made it to the end of the video, we certainly do appreciate your time. We also appreciate hearing from you, so please leave a comment. Please give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down. If you give us a thumbs down, please let us know what we can do to earn that thumbs up and to earn your subscription. We always are trying to improve, and we always want to know what it is you're interested in seeing. Let us know, and we'll try to work that into the schedule. But as always, please like, subscribe, and share the video if you know anyone that is interested in beard products or beard care. As always, take care, be safe, and keep walking the whiskered way.